Rinse your skin with warm water. Squeeze Menaji's Face and Body Scrub into the palm of your hand. Rubbing your hands together, apply the natural botanical scrub directly to your skin with a gentle, circular motion. Feel the Eco Scrub exfoliate dead skin while delivering ginseng, sea kelp, and organic lime peel oil. Use as a shave prep over your scalp and full head. With warm water, rinse off the scrub, making sure it does not get into your eye area. Now, with your cleanly exfoliated face and head, apply Menaji's ClearShave 3-in-1 formula to remove unwanted hair. After 5 to 6 pumps to prep, apply a thin layer of this botanical enriched shave gel. No water is needed. Used to shape beards and mustaches, achieve a completely shaven head, and more. This 3-in-1 product delivers both pre-shave and post-shave benefits with smooth glide for comfort, and is an excellent toner closing hair follicles to prevent ingrown hairs. Using your ring finger or directly from the tube, apply the Urban Camouflage Concealer to cover blemishes and even out skin tone imperfections. Focus on these areas and under your eyes to hide dark circles. Be sure to blend evenly. To set the Urban Camouflage Concealer, use our HDPV pressed powder. With the Kabuki brush or the enclosed pad, lightly tap the areas where you have applied the concealer, as well as dust across your full face to remove shine and ensure a natural look.